Jenggala Waterfall. Jenggala Waterfall originally was called Tampuan Waterfall because this waterfall is a confluence of rivers that join together as one. Because of this tragedy, the local people held deliberation with the High Commissioner of the village. This deliberation discusses the changing of the waterfall's name. So, the waterfall changed its name to the Jenggala Waterfall. People pay 8,000 rupiahs for entering the Jenggala Waterfall. Jenggala Waterfall opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. for each day. The location of Jenggala Waterfall is close to the Baturaden tourist park, making it easy to find from Purwokerto to Baturaden tourist park. When entering the Baturaden tourist park area, following the path leading to the Shadow Waterfall. Afterward, finding a narrow and uphill near homestay, follow the path. At the site is a bar providing information for the source of Jenggala Waterfall. Jenggala Waterfall is between the hills. Each of them has a meaning called Heaven's Water. The river at the waterfalls will meeting between a flood and a united Mertelu River. And in the middle of it is a website called Baturaden. Once in a parking lot, the visitor walks 500 yards. And visitors will find Jenggala Waterfall. Jenggala Waterfall is a waterfall that rises 30 feet from a huge floor to the surface. The waterfall has 3 cascades of water, and the central one has the hardest currents. The tourist attraction exudes natural beauty and breathtaking waterfalls. Below to the waterfall was a large rock river. The location is in Kalipagu, Ketenger, Baturaden, Banyumas District, Central Java. The attraction is at the foot of the Slamet Mountain, which gives the tourist attraction its own special attraction. Moreover, this tourist attraction provides love spots made of wood, attracting visitors to take pictures. parking fees for a motorcycle only 3,000 rupiahs and a car 5,000 rupiahs.